School goes by so fast. Hey, when did everything get so difficult? Let's take a look into our students' lockers. Peter Pickle's locker is full of books. He loves studying. And Nikola Tesla. This is the locker of a brilliant student. We wonder what's in the senior's locker. It looks like he hasn't opened it since elementary school. Books? Homework? Nope, never heard of them. It's 7 a.m. Rise and shine. Meet Peter Pickle, a freshman. And he's getting ready for school like it's a party. He's so energetic. And this is Sean Juan, a senior. 7 a.m.? I just went to bed 2 hours ago. I'll sleep for 1 more hour. "10 a.m. is a perfect time to get up. School again? Fine. I love our school uniform! A white shirt and dark pants and my tie, of course! The teachers can see right away that I'm serious about school. What should I wear? I'll let fate decide. Whatever falls out of the closet, I'll wear. I'm always ready. I have all my school stuff with me. And even a Rubik's Cube so I can train my brain during recess. I'm doing such a good job. Dark glasses are all I need. That'll be fine, I guess. This handsome guy is ready for school. Breakfast time! For the senior, it's pretty simple. Whatever he finds in the kitchen, he eats. He mixes milk with cereal right in his mouth. Express breakfast is the best. I'm running late. And the freshman is having an all-inclusive breakfast. It's already on the table. Thanks, Mom! And I have some time to eat it without hurrying. Don't forget about table manners. This day is off to a good start. A freshman is always excited to go to school. The birds are singing, the sun is shining. Oh, I'm running late. Turn on turbo mode. Sorry, Miss Smith. May I come in? I promise I won't be late ever again. I'm so embarrassed. I'll get detention after class for being 4 minutes late. But since this is the first time, Miss Smith lets the student in. All right, Pickle, sit down. Our senior takes his sweet time entering the classroom. Hey, babe, you look great. These glasses look good on you. What did I miss? Miss Smith doesn't approve of this behavior. Well, look who decided to join us. His Majesty Sean blessed us with his presence in the 3rd period. What excuse will you come up with this time? It's obvious. I was rescuing humanity again. A poor girl was carrying huge heavy bags for her sick mother. I saw she was having trouble, so I couldn't just ignore her. I offered her to help out like a real gentleman. I saved her soft hands. What a brave student. But that's not it yet. A poor old woman couldn't cross the big city road. She was crying for help. I was the only one who heard her. I couldn't leave an old lady to suffer alone on the sidewalk. That's why I helped her cross the road. And came back to put her feet back on the sidewalk. My mom taught me to take care of old people. Everyone would have done this if they were in my shoes. Miss Smith is amazed. This is the kindest and most respectful student in her class. He's as good as gold. Time to find out how you all did on the test. Now we'll find out your grades. Peter Pickle is nervous. Huh? An A? Not an A+? But why? How did I end up with such a low grade? This is humiliating. Why me? And here's the senior's grade. Well, what can I say? Good job. You went from an F to a C-. Victory! Miss Smith is proud of you. Ta-da! Sean is a champion. I have an important test in a week. I need to be ready for it. Let's start our study marathon. There's no such thing as too many books. Time to work. Phew! I covered 10% of the material. Now I can get some sleep. I figured out Sean's biggest secret. He's in love with Miss Smith. Let's use it against him. I'll tell the whole school that Sean loves his teacher. This puzzle doesn't need any explanation. Whoa! What's that art on the blackboard? Who connected Sean and Miss Smith? Now that's shocking news. Hey, Sean, are you actually in love with our teacher? You are wild. Oh no! How did that get there? That's so embarrassing. Seniors always play dumb jokes. Hey, what's going on? Who's grabbing me? It's Sean Juan. Ha ha, very funny. Let me go. Whatever you want, little guy. Miss Smith is explaining a new topic to the freshmen. Ugh, Peter Pickle again? I know, call on me. I read about this at home. He keeps raising his hand. Aren't you tired yet? Or are you trying to get an elbow workout? Fine, go ahead. I obviously can't stop you. Miss Smith is explaining a new topic to the seniors. What's your answer, Sean Juan? Me? Seriously? Hold on, I need to Google it first. You are so disrespectful of science. This is next level rude. Get out of my class. That's exactly what I was waiting for. Thanks, Miss Smith. See you at prom. I'll save my last dance for you. After school, both students come to the library. But someone grabs a pile of textbooks and someone grabs his favorite comic book. Nothing can distract me from my comics, even the librarian. And while the freshman read one paragraph, the senior managed to finish the whole comic book. Whoa! What a great ending! And a crazy twist! Catwoman turned out to be a dog! Ha! Poor freshman! He keeps cramming! Buddy, take a break! Here, read this comic book. That's it! This is the beginning of the end. Did you like our sketches about freshmen and seniors? Then comment below about what your school is like. Do you act like these students? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new school stories from Troom.